Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this review, including links to download and explore the Happify app, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the app. Happify, a mental wellness app review. Happify is a science-backed mental wellness application designed to bolster users' emotional well-being, manage stress effectively, and cultivate resilience. It achieves this through a collection of engaging activities and practical tools. This app presents an excellent resource for individuals seeking to incorporate mental health support into their daily lives without committing to traditional therapy sessions. Happify distinguishes itself through its innovative approach, seamlessly integrating positive psychology principles, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, techniques, and mindfulness practices into enjoyable, gamified experiences. The app offers a diverse array of activities, including quizzes, guided meditation sessions, gratitude exercises, and interactive games, all crafted to elevate happiness levels and mitigate negative thought patterns. The app's content is meticulously organized into specialized tracks targeting specific personal goals, such as managing anxiety, strengthening relationships, or achieving a better work-life balance. This targeted approach makes Happify highly customizable to cater to individual needs and preferences. Happify boasts a user-friendly design with a clean, intuitive interface that guides you step by step through its various features. Upon registration, you'll complete a brief assessment designed to pinpoint your mental health objectives and areas requiring attention. Based on your responses, Happify then suggests tailored tracks to address your specific needs. Progress tracking is another valuable feature, allowing you to visualize improvements in your emotional well-being over time through interactive charts and badges. Happify is ideally suited for individuals who may not require formal therapy but still desire practical tools to enhance their mindset and cultivate positive thinking. It's particularly effective for those seeking brief, daily mental health practices that seamlessly integrate into a busy schedule. While the app offers some free content, a premium subscription unlocks a wider selection of tracks, advanced tools, and expert-designed programs for a more in-depth and enriching experience. One of Happify's key strengths lies in its accessibility. It's suitable for users of all ages and provides bite-sized activities that are easy to complete anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a student grappling with academic stress, a professional navigating workplace challenges, or simply an individual seeking to enhance emotional resilience, Happify presents an enjoyable and effective solution. Check out the links in the description below to embark on your Happify journey and take proactive steps toward a healthier, more resilient mind.